Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to discuss about how much English is important nowadays. Because friend, after Hindi, English is the most common speaking language in India. Friend, English is the most important. That's why today's video we are going to discuss about the benefits of English speaking. The first benefits, that is friend, education enhancement. Because friend, what happens if you have strong English, then you can take admission in any university, in any course, in any degree. That's why English is the most important. But friend, what happens, those students have a fear about the English, they can't take admission in science background, any English related course. It's a big problem. And same also friend, most of the time what happens, most of students want to read a books in a particular topic and they find that book. But what happens friend, that book will not available in our mother tongue, and that's a big problem. And that's why the student didn't purchase those books available in English. This is also one drawback. Okay friend, then second thing, that is a friend, better employment opportunity. Because what happens friend, in India nowadays most of people are unemployment. They don't have a job, they are jobless. But friend, those students have English speaking skills, those people have English speaking skills, they can take a job anywhere, they have a job anywhere. That's why English is the most important. They can work in any international company, they can work as a on call center as a customer executive. That's why English is the most important. Neither without job there will be too many doors will be open for you to start anything. That's why English is the most important. Last thing, that is a friend, improve travel opportunity. Because what happens, most of people want to grow abroad, but they don't have English speaking skill, and that's why they can't enjoy 100%. Because what happens, they can't communicate with that abroad people, they can't get very well information, they face too many problems. That's why they didn't improve their travel experience confidence. That's why if you want to travel a lot, you should, English is also important. That's why friend, try to improve your English, because English is the most important nowadays. And English is not too much hard. Everyday basis, if you start little bit, 100% your English will be improved. Only your practice is the most important, and once your English will be improved, then you will get too many opportunity in education stream, in our traveling stream, you can get too many jobs. That's why English is the most important. And friend, if you like my video, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Because what happens friend, if you will press the bell icon, next video notification you will get. Thank you so much. See you next video.